Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install Debian Linux on VirtualBox. Go to any search engine and search for Debian Linux download. Then go to debian.org. Then click on download an installation image. Here we have CDs or USB sticks. Click on this AMD64, which means this is download an installation image, but for this installation internet connection is required. Then click on this complete installation image. For this internet connection is not required. Click on this download CD or DVD images using HTTP. Here we have stable and testing distributions. Click on this official CD DVD images of stable release. Here we have CD and DVD. In the CD section, click on this AMD64, which means AMD 64-bit ISO file. Click on this one. Then scroll down. See, here we have latest stable version, that is Debian 10.6.0 AMD Xphase CD1 ISO file. Then click on this CD1.ISO file. See, download has been started. I am pausing this video until download completes because I have already downloaded 10.5.0 AMD 64 CD ISO file. In your case, wait until this download completes. I hope your download is finished. Now open Oracle VM VirtualBox. I have already installed VirtualBox. If you haven't installed VirtualBox, then go through the steps provided in the video description. Now open VirtualBox. Oracle VM VirtualBox. Now click on New or go to Machine and select New to create a virtual machine. Here provide name as Debian 10.6 and this is the location to store virtual machine. Type is Linux and version is Debian 64-bit. Here we have to provide RAM size. I am giving, by default it has selected 1 GB. I am changing it to 4 GB. Then here select create a virtual hard disk now. Then click on create. Here we have to provide file size, that is hard disk size. I am giving hard disk size as 25 gigabytes. Then click on create. Notice here its hard disk size is 25 GB. Until now we have created a virtual machine, but we haven't added ISO file. That can be done by going to settings, then storage, then click on this empty button and click on this CD button, then choose a disk file. As I told, I have downloaded 10.5.0 AMD 64-bit CD ISO file. Select it and click on open. Then click on OK. Now to start actual installation of Debian, here we are installing 10.5. Change it. See, now we are installing Debian 10.5 version. Then click on start to start the actual installation of Debian 10.5 Linux version on Oracle VirtualBox. Here we have these options. Select any one of them. I am going to select graphical install. Then press enter. Select the language English and click on continue. Select your location and then click on continue. Configure the keyboard and select continue. Provide the host name for this machine. I am going with default host name, that is Debian. Click on continue. Present I am not giving domain name, so I will leave it as blank. Then click on continue. Now provide password for root user. Then click on continue. Now create a user for non-administrative activities. I am giving username as R2 school. Then press enter. Username also same. Then press enter. Provide password for this new user. Press enter. Select the time zone. I am okay with Eastern time zone. Then click on continue. I am going with guided use entire disk and click on continue. Then click on continue. Continue. Review and select the finish partitioning and write changes to disk and click on continue. It is asking us confirmation. Write changes to disks. Select the yes and click on continue. Now it is installing base system. I am pausing this video until this base system installation completes. Now configure the package manager. Select yes and click on continue. Select the location. Select yes and click on continue. Do you want to participate in package users survey? If you want to participate, then click on yes, otherwise no. Now select the softwares. Here I am selecting SH server, web server and other options. Select the components and click on continue. Select the GDM3 and click on continue.